Okay, so the next step is having to photograph an original piece of art. What I have here is a watercolor that I've had, and what I want to do is I want to photograph this, and again, what I want to do is I want to use it on a neutral background. I strongly suggest you use a white background and that you use a white paper background. So what I've done is I've set a white sheet of paper on the floor, and I'm going to place my drawing on the floor as well. And then what I'm going to do is also move my lamps so that I can be able to see the light of this. Now, one of the problems that I have with this drawing clearly is that the edges are coming up, and it's not flat. If I had the chance, what I would recommend is that you get masking tape and you tack it on the bottom of this so that the image is flat. I was talking about your piece not being flat on the page, and what I'm doing is I'm just getting masking tape or any kind of tape, put it on the back, and then put it down on your paper. And this should temporarily tack it down. Make sure that the tape is not showing, and you just want to hold it in place so that your piece is flat. I would not recommend getting a glass and putting on it because the glass is going to show some glare on it. And so once you have your artwork positioned and you have the corners pinned down on the paper, then what you want to do is get your phone or your camera and you want to put it directly on top of the image. Now there's going to be a little bit of distortion, and again, shoot, and it's okay if you get some of the background or your feet or your shoes. You don't have to crop it in real tight. You want to change your lighting again to make sure that you have little different lighting effects, and so you want to shoot this as many times as possible and make sure that you get the proper flooding of light in here so that and shoot as many as you can so that you can choose and select your best one. Okay?